He's got the hiccups, he can't breathe properly, he's coughing.
Ever seen a bodybuilder randomly start coughing like crazy right after an injection? That's Tren cough, and it's no joke. 1 second you're fine, the next your lungs feel like they're on fire. But why does this happen? When Tren balloon hits your system, it can irritate your lungs and spike prostaglandins, which leads to airway constriction, causing sudden uncontrollable coughing fits that can last for minutes. If a steroid does this to your lung in seconds, imagine what it's doing to the rest of your body. Do you still think it's worth taking? Drop your comments below.